shark.
You want to look at a picture?
Toby spitting up.
Oh, of Toby spitting up. I know, I did. I took a video and Toby spit up in it. And then I pushed stop. Because I thought, well, I should probably clean Toby up. That's probably a good idea, huh? Are you a yogurt shark?
Might be a yogurt shark.
You want me to be a yogurt shark? Okay. I'll be your bite of yogurt. Okay. I'm going to move this water so I don't spill it. Okay, I'm going to swim around. Okay. La la la, I'm swimming around, I'm swimming around. Ow! Yogurt shark! Ah! Okay, ready? We'll do it again. Okay. Oh, I'm just a little piece of yogurt swimming in the sea. La la la. La la la. Ah! Oh no, no, no! Oh no, yogurt shark! Ah! That was funny. You know what's cool? Hey, hey, you. We've got a video now of you being a yogurt shark.